Hello and welcome to the Environment and Geography Department at the University of York. My name is Bryce Stewart. I'm the Director for Engagement and Partnerships, and I also coordinate the Environmental Science degree program that we offer here. This talk will give you an insight into our department, the various undergraduate courses we provide, and hopefully it will encourage you to apply to us. I'll start by giving you an overview of our department, including some facts and figures. I'll then move on to our courses, explaining their broad interests and the kinds of things that they cover. Then we'll look at what our students go on to do after they graduate, and I'll talk about the support we provide to help students in planning their future careers. And finally, I'll pick out some of the key reasons why you should choose York to study an Environment and Geography degree. Firstly, our department. We're a leading centre for teaching and research on sustainable solutions to the world's environmental issues. We were established in 1992 with the aim of designing and implementing an interdisciplinary program of research and training in environmental economics and environmental management. Since then, we've expanded to incorporate environmental science and geography. We're still at the forefront of these exciting and dynamic areas today. We conduct world-leading research on topics of global environmental importance. Our research is highly interdisciplinary across the natural and social sciences, ranging from atmospheric chemistry to climate change to environmental economics to human development. Our department is home to around 600 undergraduate students, 60 master's students, 60 doctoral students, 39 academic staff, 17 research staff, and 15 support staff. We offer a choice of degree programs in Environmental Geography, Human Geography and the Environment, Environment, Economics and Ecology, and Environmental Science. I'll say a little bit more about these different programs in a moment. We're based in a £12.5 million state-of-the-art building, which we moved into in 2015. Located next to the Department of Biology, our premises provide new and exciting opportunities for collaborative research between environmental, ecological, and social scientists. Our building has a fully accessible 80-seat lecture theatre, seminar rooms, a central social and study space used by students and staff, and a set of laboratories. Our teaching lab can accommodate around 64 students for wet practicals. These can range from ecology to environmental science to physical geography practicals. It's equipped with the latest audio-visual aids to support large group classes. Outside of teaching times, the lab is used by final year undergraduate students to conduct work on their dissertation projects. Other laboratories in the department include the chromatography lab, the thermal analysis lab, and 4 constant temperature rooms. These are used by staff, PhD students, and undergraduates doing their final year projects. Courses differ in the degree of lab work they involve. As you would expect, our environmental science students are often in the labs, whereas human geography and environment students spend a lot less time doing lab work. An important feature of our building is the green wall. It's made up of a variety of different plant species. The living wall provides a useful habitat to increase local biodiversity, and it acts as a food source during the flowering season. The wall is irrigated using recycled rainwater. All of the rainwater falling onto the building is harvested and stored in a tank buried in front of the building. This water is then filtered and treated with ultraviolet light and is eventually used to flush the toilets in the building and to water the living wall. Another important feature of our building is found on the roof. We've got a set of photovoltaic solar panels on the roof that provide electrical energy to the building. They provide around 9% of the electrical energy used within our building. I'll say a little bit more now about the different courses we offer, beginning with Environmental Geography. Environmental Geography focuses on the physical environment and its effects on humans. Understanding the integration of physical and environmental geography has never been more important than it is today to address the environmental challenges facing the world. If you study environmental geography with us, you'll learn about aspects of physical geography such as sea level change, glacial and coastal environments, and environmental hazards. You'll also cover areas of environmental geography, such as biogeography. geographical information systems, and sustainability. You'll have opportunities to study human impacts on the environment through the study of natural resource management, environmental law and policy, and environmental economics. Our degrees in environmental geography are accredited by the Institution of Environmental Sciences. Our environmental science degree program will give you a strong foundation in the physical sciences, providing the background knowledge you need to make informed judgments about environmental issues. You will also study the broader social, political, and economic aspects of managing the environment. There has never been a greater need for scientists to understand how the Earth system functions and how it responds to human activities, and who can apply this knowledge in the broader social and economic context of managing the environment to ensure a sustainable future. Research-led teaching with a multidisciplinary focus will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to address complex environmental problems such as climate change, air pollution, and energy transitions. Our degrees in environmental science are also accredited by the Institution of Environmental Sciences. Our environment, economics, and ecology courses bridges disciplines. It offers a completely unique interdisciplinary approach that emphasizes the ecological principles and human interactions which underlie environmental management. This course will advance your critical abilities to tackle real-world environmental challenges, manage economic and social pressures in a sustainable way, and integrate the benefits that people derive from the environment into policy decisions and practice. The courses focus on ecosystem services as the linkages between human and natural systems. It emphasizes the need for a holistic socio-ecological approach to understand the challenges and solutions to environmental conservation and sustainable development. Our degrees in environment, economics, and ecology are also accredited by the Institution of Environmental Sciences. Finally, our human geography and environment degree provides an understanding of contemporary human geography and environmental sciences. It explores real-world problems such as transportation, urbanization, food security, megacities, and their impact on the natural environment. At a time when globalization, rapid population growth, and migration are placing increased pressure on our natural resources, there is a real need to understand the world around us and our place within it. Culture, society, economics, and politics all contribute to our changing natural environment. It is only by appreciating these issues that we can make sense of the complex relationships between people and place and prepare for the challenges that lie ahead. Human geography and environment is a distinctive subject operating at the boundary between traditional human geography and environmental science, exploring both natural and socio-economic elements of geography and providing you with the knowledge to address real-world problems on a global scale. It has a unique edge when compared with more traditional human geography courses. As you would expect from an environment and geography department, there are opportunities across our degree programs to go on interesting field trips and to undertake research in the field. At the moment, we offer multi-day trips to Tenerife, Prague in the Czech Republic, the North York Moors and the Lake District, and various other shorter trips to local towns, coasts and countryside. These trips provide opportunities to develop and practice research and fieldwork skills in situ and learn about interesting built and natural environments. All of our undergraduate degree courses offer the option of a year in industry. Students taking this option complete their first and second years of study in the department. They then take up an industrial placement for a year before returning to the department for their final year of study. The introduction of a year in industry turns a 3-year degree into a 4-year degree. Students who successfully complete the Year in Industry program have this added to their degree title. A dedicated industry liaison officer in the department helps students to identify placements as well as internship opportunities. There's also the option to study abroad for a year during the course of your degree. Students complete their first year of study in the department, then they complete their second year of study at an overseas institution, and then return to York for their third year. Students travel abroad through the university's global exchange programs. These programs are competitive, with students selected via an online application and references. Students from our department have previously studied abroad in places like Australia, Canada, the USA and Singapore. Through our degree programs, you'll develop a range of skills that are highly valued by employers. Skills like interdisciplinary thinking, problem solving, communication and analytical skills. We develop key skills in our students in several ways. First, every course has a set of core modules that are taken by every student on that course. These modules are designed to provide opportunities for students to learn, build and practice key transferable skills. Collectively, these modules form an integrated skills training pathway that tracks through a degree program. In these modules, but also in fact in all of the modules that we offer, we design and structure our teaching and learning activities with the development of key skills in mind. Second, we have created an online skills hub to support further skills development. It offers a wealth of resources that students can use in their own time and at their own pace to develop and practice a range of skills, including essay writing, statistical analysis, and finding and using academic sources. Finally, in the department, we provide opportunities for students to interact with potential future employers, and these interactions can help to highlight how the skills developed within a degree can be used in the workplace. These are the key transferable skills that we develop in our students and that our graduates leave with. You can see it's a diverse set ranging from problem-solving skills to communication skills to analytical skills. Our approach to teaching, learning and assessments is designed to equip students with all of these important capabilities. We design our courses, modules, lectures, seminars, practicals, field trips and pieces of assessment with these skills in mind. Our graduates have gone on to work in a wide range of careers with diverse employers. Graduates have gone into environmental management, policy development, environmental consultancy, and teaching. They've gone to work for utilities companies, environmental consultancies, public sector bodies like the Environment Agency at DEFRA, local government, and conservation bodies. For students who graduated in 2017, 6 months after graduation, 82% had a job or were in further study, and 76% of those working had a graduate position. The sector average is 75.6%. We support our students with career planning. Our dedicated industry liaison officer provides advice to students on careers placements and internships. Our online employability hub provides support, links and advice for every stage of a student's career search to help them secure graduate jobs, year in industry placements, internships and the work experience they want. Our department level careers support is complemented by the university's careers and placement services, which provide students with careers advice, help with work opportunities and support with job applications and job interviews. To wrap things up, I'll pick out just a few of the reasons why we think you should choose York to study Environment and Geography degree. We're a friendly department with a favourable student to staff ratio, so support is excellent. There are plenty of opportunities for field trips. Our staff are very active in topical research areas like climate change, conservation, air pollution, waste treatment and human development. They publish their research in highly respected international journals and sit on national and international committees, demonstrating the recognition of our work at the highest level. Our undergraduate students are actively encouraged to participate in ongoing research projects within the department. We have strong links to global policymakers such as the United Nations Environment Programme and the World Health Organization. We have a track record of providing a springboard to a wide range of careers and postgraduate research. Our building is also home to two distinctive additional research centres. The Stockholm Environment Institute, which was ranked as the world's top think tank on environmental policy issues in 2019 in the global Go to Think Tanks Index, and the York Environmental Sustainability Institute, which aims to facilitate and deliver world-class interdisciplinary research on environmental sustainability. This context helps us to offer a rich learning environment for our undergraduate students. And finally, York is a research-intensive university with a Gold Teaching Excellence Framework Award, which recognises our outstanding teaching and learning and outcomes for our students. We're a proud member of the prestigious Russell Group of Universities. As a student at York, you'll be part of a diverse and supportive environment located in a beautiful, historic and unique European city. For more information about our department, the courses we offer, admissions and entry requirements, please see our website or get in touch with us via email. We're always happy to speak with prospective students about studying environment and geography at York.